Choreographers pour their passion into crafting unique dance moves. But what happens when others use their creation without permission? In today's podcast, we will explore copyright protection for choreographers in India. Hello, Namaskar. Welcome to MindSync's weekly Wednesday podcast, Your Compliance Guard, where we dive deep into the world of compliance. As Wednesday arrives, so do we, with deep insights, engaging discussion, and a fresh perspective about compliance and law. In India, the legal landscape surrounding dance copyright is evolving. While a work is automatically copyrighted upon creation, the right to sue for infringement arises only upon registration. To register a dance move, it must be creative, original, and fixed in a tangible medium. Basic movements won't be sufficient. There must be a level of uniqueness to establish ownership. Under the Copyright Act of 1957, dance moves are classified as choreographic works and protected under dramatic work. However, to protect dance steps, they must be reduced to writing using dance notations. A significant legal precedent was set in the case of Anupama Mohan with the state of Kerala, where the High Court ruled in favor of Mohan, confirming her rights as a creator and owner of the dance performance. This scenario underscores the importance of understanding copyright law in India to protect the artistic endeavors of dancers and choreographers. What about exceptions? Well, in the case of Academy of General Education vs. Malini Malya, the Supreme Court of India examined the copyright status of a new ballet form named Yaksharanga, which was an innovative extension of the traditional Yakshagana dance. The court ruled that Yaksharanga fell under the category of dramatic works, provided it was presented in a literary format. This meant that the choreographed sequences and expressions in Yaksharanga could be protected under copyright law. However, the court also discussed the concept of fair use. It noted that when a work is used for private purposes, such as research, criticism, or review, it may qualify for fair dealing, exempting it from copyright infringement claims. Additionally, the court highlighted specific exemptions for educational institutions and amateur clubs or societies. If the performance fell within these exceptions, it would not be considered a violation of copyright law and injunction order would not apply. This case emphasized the importance of understanding copyright law in the context of artistic expressions like dance performance and provided clarity, application of fair use, and exemptions for educational and non-commercial uses. Is it important to register? Absolutely. It's crucial to recognize that not every dance move enjoys the same level of protection, while fundamental steps may not meet the criteria. Original sequences, formations, and stylistic expressions can indeed be copyrighted. Moreover, copyright protection is just a part of the equation. For choreographers working with dancers or studios, having clear contract that define ownership and usage rights is vital. These agreements help avoid conflicts and ensure clarity for all parties involved. While the United States and Britain have straightforward procedures for choreographers to get copyright protection, India's process is more complicated. Despite this, India, with its rich cultural heritage and vibrant creative community, has immense potential. By working together and advocating for better copyright laws, both locally and globally, we can create a more supportive environment for artists to thrive and protect their work. In summary, while the current landscape of choreographers' copyright in India may present obstacles, it also holds promises for improvement. By aligning with the international standards and raising awareness among choreographers, we can pave the way for a more robust legal framework that campaigns artistic innovations. That's all for today's episode of Your Compliance Guard. Thanks for tuning into MindSync's podcast. If you found this episode informative, don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the world of compliance and advisory services. Until next time, stay compliant, stay informed.